Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vedura, the smart learning app. Today is very important class regarding our examination point of view for board examination as well as competitive examination. Because in this class we will learn a lot, like we will learn how to prepare an acid. There are some method for the preparation of acid. Their physical properties, like what is the physical state of acid and some chemical properties of acid. So concentrate in this class and learn about what I am taught. So first, when we hear word acid, what is the first impression come in our mind? First impression come in our mind, अरे एसिड्स हैं तो लिक्विड्स ही होंगे, एसिड्स हैं तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जैसे गैसियस ही होंगे. बट हमने कभी ये एज्यूम नहीं किया कि एसिड सॉलिड भी हो सकते हैं, एसिड लिक्विड भी हो सकते हैं और एसिड गैसियस भी हो सकते हैं. सो कैसे? आई हैव सम लिस्ट फॉर द acid which are found solid and which are found liquid at room temperature. So first of all, we have a boric acid, H3BO3. The formula of boric acid is H3BO3. Write the chemical formula. H3BO3 is the formula of boric acid which are found in solid form at the room temperature. Room temperature पे ये solid मिलते हैं हमें. Second, oxalic acid, COOH whole twice, COOH whole twice. This is the chemical formula of oxalic acid which are also found in solid form at the room temperature. I have a third acid, tartaric acid, C4H6O6, C4H6O6, that is the formula of tartaric acid which are also found in solid state, solid form at the room temperature. Another acid, citric acid, C6H8O7. Write down the chemical formula, C6H8O7, the chemical formula of citric acid which are found in the citrus fruits. Tartaric acid found in tamarind. Oxalic acids are found in tomatoes. These acids are solid at the room temperature. So I have a third, last acid, phosphoric acid, H3PO4. H3PO4 are the acid which are also found in solid form at the room temperature. So we have learned there are 5 acids which are found in solid form, that is boric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid and phosphoric acid. These 5 acids are, all acids are present in solid form at the room temperature. But after that there are some also acids which are found in liquid form. These are acetic acid. Acetic acid is also known as ethanoic acid and the chemical formula is CH3COOH. Formic acid. Formic acid is also known as methanoic acid which are found in ant stings. Formic acid, the chemical formula of formic acid is HCOOH. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Nitric acid, HNO3. And sulfurous acid, not sulfuric acid, sulfurous acids, H2SO3. All these acids are found in liquid state, liquid form. And interestingly, when these acids are heated by giving temperature, it starts to form vapor. So these all acids are called volatile in nature. I am writing here word volatile. Volatile का मतलब क्या होते हैं समझिए. वोलेटाइल वो होते हैं कि किसी लिक्विड को अगर हम एक्स्ट्रा हीट प्रोवाइड करें, हीट दें और उस लिक्विड के वेपर्स बने, उस टाइप के लिक्विड्स को हम वोलेटाइल लिक्विड बोलते हैं. तो ये जो भी एसिड हमने अभी बात किया वो सारे के सारे जो होते हैं वो वोलेटाइल होते हैं. लाइक volatiles are the substances which easily converted into vapor states by giving temperature is called volatiles. So acetic acid, formic acid, the carbonic acid, nitric acid and sulfurous acid all are volatile in nature because when you give heat in this acid they starts to forming vapor. But what about sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid is also found in liquid state. The physical state of the sulfuric acid is just like same as the all remaining acid like acetic acid. But when we give heat to the sulfuric acid, it does not starts to forming vapors. ये वेपर्स नहीं बनाते हैं. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड वेपर्स बनाते ही नहीं. आप टेम्परेचर कुछ भी दे दो, वट एवर यू टेम्परेचर गिव टू द सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, इट डज नॉट फॉर्म्स एनी वेपर्स. So it is considered non-volatile acid. Non-volatile acid is king of chemicals, that is sulfuric acid. Formula is H2SO4. So we will learn there are some acid which are found in solid states, there are some acid which are found in liquid states, and in this liquid state some are volatile and one are non-volatile, and this one are non-volatile is sulfuric acid, and volatile acids are sulfurous acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, ethanoic acid, methanoic acid. Which acids are found in solid form? Boric acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, phosphoric acid, and oxalic acid. So next, how to prepare an acid. कुछ बातें, कुछ मेथड, कुछ वे जिससे हम एसिड तैयार कर सकते हैं, एसिड बना सकते हैं. बहुत बार हमने एसिड सुने. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एसिड, वी विल टॉक अबाउट मिनरल एसिड. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑर्गेनिक एसिड. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ऑक्सैलिक एसिड, सिट्रिक एसिड, लैक्टिक एसिड, लाइक दैट. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these types of acid. How can you prepare this acid? So there is a first method, and the method is by the process of synthesis. What is synthesis? First we know synthesis. Synthesis. What is meant by it? Synthesis. Synthesis is a process in which two small atoms combines to form a molecules, and molecules combine to form compound, and something too smaller will be combined and they form something big, is called synthesis. When two or more atoms combine, they form molecules, is called synthesis. So the process of synthesis, we can prepare those acid that means binary acid. Binary acid are those acid which contains only two elements. Like when we talk about hydrochloric acid, it contains only hydrogen and chlorine, so it is considered binary acid. We will talk about HBr. It is considered binary acid because it contains only hydrogen and bromine. When we talk about hydrogen sulfide, H2S, it contains binary acid because it have hydrogen and sulfur. But what we can say, sulfuric acid is a binary acid? No, because sulfuric acid contains hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. So it is not considered binary acid. Binary acids are those acids which have only two types of element. So hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, and hydrogen sulfide are called binary acid, and these acids can prepared by the process of synthesis. For example, when hydrogen combines with chlorine, chlorine is a non-metal, it reacts to form hydrochloric acid. When hydrogen combines with chlorine, it reacts to form hydrochloric acid. Smaller amount of hydrogen, other element chlorine, they both combined, they form a binary acid, hydrochloric acid. When hydrogen reacts with bromine, it forms hydrogen bromide, which are also in binary acid. When hydrogen combine with sulfur, it forms hydrogen sulfide, which are also in binary acid. So binary acid can be prepared by the process of synthesis. You know binary acids? Binary acids are those acids which contains only two types of elements. So next, another method for the preparation of acid, and that is by the action of water on non-metallic or acidic oxide. If I ask you what is the nature of non-metallic oxide, नॉन मेटल्स के ऑक्साइड्स के नेचर क्या होते हैं? नॉन मेटल के ऑक्साइड्स के नेचर एसिडिक होते हैं. अब इन एसिड्स को, इन एसिड मतलब नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड को जब आप वाटर में ऐड करोगे तो अनहाइड्राइड होंगे और एक एसिड्स का फॉर्मेशन होगा. चलिए हम दिखाते हैं आपको. वी हैव अ सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. सल्फर दैट इज अ नॉन मेटल. Non-metal combine with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. When sulfur trioxide is anhydride, that means reacts with water, it form H2SO4, sulfuric acid. when sulfur trioxide, mark my word, when sulfur trioxide reacts with water, it forms sulfuric acid. But when sulfur dioxide combines with water, it forms sulfurous acid, H2SO3. When SO2 combines with water, form sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3, which is volatile in nature. And when SO3, sulfur trioxide, is combines with water, it forms H2SO4, which is non-volatile in nature. Next, we have a carbon oxide, carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is neutral in nature, so it is not so acidic behavior when added with water. When carbon dioxide, it is acidic behavior, when reacts with water, they form carbonic acid, H2CO3. H2CO3 are formed by the action of carbon dioxide with water. So sulfur trioxide combines with water to form sulfuric acid, not sulfurous acid. When sulfur dioxide combines with water to form sulfurous acid, when carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. What about phosphorus oxide, phosphorus pentaoxide, diphosphorus pentaoxide, P2O5, combines with water to form phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. H3PO4, what is the physical state of H3PO4? Which are found in solid state, solid form at room temperature. And special thing about in N2O5, dinitrogen pentaoxide. When dinitrogen pentaoxide is combined with water, it forms nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3, I know, यहाँ आपके एक क्वेश्चन आ रहे होंगे दिमाग में कि N2O5 क्यों सर, NO2 से आप काम चला लो ना, NO2 को वाटर में ऐड करके नाइट्रिक एसिड बना दो. बट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. When nitrogen dioxide reacts with water, it form double acid anhydride. It's called nitrogen dioxide is called double acid anhydride because it forms two types of acid. First nitrous acid and second nitric acid. That's why we take N2O5 for the preparation of HNO3, not NO2. What happens when we take NO2? So when we take NO2 with water, it forms HNO2 and HNO3. This HNO2 is called nitrous acid, nitrous, NITRIOUS, and nitric, NITRIC. So both acids can be prepared by the action of nitrogen dioxide with water, but only one acid, nitric acid, can be prepared by the action of dinitrogen pentaoxide with water. That's why NO2 is called double acid anhydride, because it forms two types of acid when reacts with water. So some other method for the preparation of acid, and there is by the oxidation of non-metal. ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ नॉन मेटल, नॉन मेटल के ऑक्सीडेशन से भी हम एसिड को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. दो मेथड तो हमने देख लिए. एक मेथड देखे कि नॉन मेटल के ऑक्साइड को वाटर में ऐड करके एसिड बना सकते हैं, और एक हमने देख लिया साइंथेसिस वाले प्रोसेस से कि हाइड्रोजन के साथ नॉन मेटल कंबाइन होते जाएं तो साइंथेसिस का प्रोसेस होगा और एक एसिड के फॉर्मेशन होंगे. तीसरा मेथड ये है कि बाय द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ नॉन मेटल. और जब हम ऑक्सीडेशंस की बात करते हैं, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑक्सीडेशन, देयर इज अ फेमस कंपाउंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड, एंड दिस इज नाइट्रिक एसिड. नाइट्रिक एसिड इज अ वेरी गुड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. Nitric acid is very good oxidizing agent. When this nitric acid combines with non-metal like sulfur and phosphorus, it reacts to form an acid. Let us show. Sulfur combines with HNO3. It forms sulfuric acid, H2SO4, water and nitrogen dioxide. It forms as sulfur combines with nitric acid like HNO3, it forms H2SO4, sulfuric acid plus H2O plus NO2. वी कैन बैलेंस द इक्वेशन, दिस इज द डिफरेंट मैटर। यहाँ हम लोग सिर्फ ये देख रहे हैं कि एसिड को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है। बैलेंसिंग आप कर लोगे। शो सेकेंड, फॉस्फोरस। व्हाट इज द फॉस्फोरस? फॉस्फोरस कंबाइंस विथ same oxidizing agent like nitric acid. It forms H3PO4 plus H2O plus NO2. So here phosphoric acid can be prepared and here sulfuric acid can be prepared. Both the acid can be prepared by the action of non-metal with an oxidizing agent like nitric acid. So we have learned three methods for the preparation of an acid, that is first the process of synthesis, second when non-metal oxide reacts with poured with anhydride like added with water, it can also form acid, and the third when non-metal combines with an oxidizing agent like nitric acid. So there are fourth method for the preparation of an acid by the process of displacement. By the process of displacement, normal salt of more volatile acidic or displaced by less or non-volatile acidic. Example, hydrochloric acid NaCl is a normal salt when combined with less volatile acid like sulfuric acid. It is very less, we can say non-volatile. NaCl combines with sulfuric acid, it can form NaHSO4 plus. There are 2 hydrogen in the sulfuric acid and 2 hydrogen can be replaceable. So only 1 hydrogens are replaceable, 1 hydrogen will be left, and this 1 hydrogen combines with chlorine, it forms hydrochloric acid. So this is less volatile acid, and after reaction it formed hydrochloric acid, which are more volatile acid. So we can prepare more volatile acid by the action of less volatile acid when it combines with normal salt like sodium chloride and sodium nitrate. What about sodium nitrate? When sodium nitrate NaNO3 combined with less volatile acid like H2SO4, then 1 hydrogen is replaced to form sodium bisulfate NHSO4 plus HNO3, and HNO3 is more volatile than H2SO4. So here we make 2 different types of acid, that is first nitric acid and second hydrochloric acid are prepared by the action of less volatile acid like sulfuric acid. So हमने 4 तरह के मेथड्स पढ़े जिसमें हमें एसिड का प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं। एक मेथड था सिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस से, दूसरा मेथड था नॉन मेटल के ऑक्साइड्स को वाटर में ऐड करके, तीसरे मेथड थे नॉन मेटल को किसी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट के साथ रिएक्शन करवा के, और चौथे जो थे लास्ट जो था वो था कि नॉर्मल सॉल्ट को अगर लेस वोलेटाइल एसिड लाइक सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से रिएक्शन करवाया जाए तो हमें एक नॉर्मल सॉल्ट तो मिलेंगे ही, साथ एक मोर वोलेटाइल एसिड का भी फॉर्मेशन होगा। सो देयर आर 4 मेथड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एन एसिड। सो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एन एसिड। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस हैं हमारे केमिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक के लिए, एसिड्स के केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। सो फर्स्ट, what is the chemical properties of acid? First we will talk about reaction with active metal. What happens when an acid reacts with active metals? Active metals are those metals which are placed above the hydrogen in the reactivity series. reactivity series में जो हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर एलिमेंट्स हमने रखे हैं, मेटल्स हमने रखे हैं, उस मेटल्स को हम रिएक्टिव मेटल्स के कैटेगरीज में रखते हैं, लाइक पोटासियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, लेड, आफ्टर दैट हाइड्रोजन, कॉपर, सिल्वर। हाइड्रोजन के नीचे हम कॉपर रखते हैं। कॉपर, मरकरी, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, प्लैटिनम आर प्लेस्ड बिलो द हाइड्रोजन इन द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज, सो इट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एक्टिव मेटल। एक्टिव मेटल्स आर these metals. When these metals are combined with an acid, the reaction are possible. After reaction it forms salt and release hydrogen gas. After reaction it forms salt and release hydrogen gas. For example, What happens when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid first dissociate H plus Cl minus. Magnesium contains Mg2 plus. When this Mg, which have 2 charge, chlorine 1, after crisscross it form MgCl2. So MgCl2 are formed and one hydrogen are left, so the atomicity of hydrogen is 2, H cannot exist, so we write H2 in the form of evolution of gas. So when active metal reacts with acid, it forms salt and liberate hydrogen gas. When active metal like zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, forms salt and liberate hydrogen gas. When iron reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms iron sulfate and release hydrogen gas. Simply we can say that two acids, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, when reacts with active metal, it forms salt and release hydrogen gas. But जब भी हम यहाँ एसिड को ले रहे थे, we will never take नाइट्रिक एसिड. Why? नाइट्रिक एसिड से ऐसी क्या दुश्मनी थी हमारी? नाइट्रिक एसिड में ऐसी क्या खास बात है कि हमने इसको लिया ही नहीं, उसको अलग कर दिया एसिड से. जबकि जब भी हम डेफिनेशन बोल रहे हैं, वी विल कॉल एसिड कंटेन्स HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4 like that. But we will not take HNO3 in the place of acid in this reaction. Why? Because दुश्मनी है. The behavior of nitric acid is strange to the other acids. What is the behavior? Is a very good oxidizing agent. Nitric acid is a very good oxidizing agent. So it get reduce itself and provide oxygen to the hydrogen and becomes water instead of hydrogen gas. क्या बोला हमने? Dilute HNO3 is a very good oxidizing agent. It provide oxygen to the hydrogen and becomes water instead of hydrogen gas. That's why we cannot take dilute HNO3 for the formation of hydrogen gas. नहीं होते. But if we take magnesium, we can talk magnesium. Zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid HNO3. What happens after the reaction? It forms zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 whole twice, and hydrogen liberated. ऐसा नहीं कि निकला ही नहीं था, but it is a very good oxidizing agent. It provide oxygen to the hydrogen and becomes water instead of hydrogen gas. So that's why we cannot take nitric acid for the preparation of hydrogen, or in this reaction hydrogen cannot be formed when it reacts with nitric acid. But in our periodic table there are two stubborn element. वो जिद्दी एलिमेंट हैं जो डाइल्यूट HNO3 के साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे और उन्हीं से हाइड्रोजन को भी निकलवाएंगे. ऐसे दो ही एलिमेंट्स हैं हमारे पीरियोडिक टेबल में. देयर आर टू डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स. इट कैन रिएक्ट विथ डाइल्यूट HNO3 एंड लिबरेट हाइड्रोजन गैस. गजब के जिद्दी है. कौन है वो? फर्स्ट मैग्नीशियम एंड द सेकेंड मैग्नीज. मैग्नीशियम एंड मैग्नीज आर those two metals which can liberate dilute HNO3, can react dilute HNO3, can liberate hydrogen gas. But there is a conditions. When we take dilute HNO3 in this reaction, we will take very dilute acid. What is very dilute acid? Dilute acid, that those acid where the concentration of water is greater than the concentration of acid is called dilute acid. So it takes 1% acid and 99% water in this reaction to form nitric acid, and when this nitric acid reacts with magnesium and manganese, can liberate hydrogen gas. अब ये हाइड्रोजन गैस को चेक कैसे करेंगे, इसके लिए हम अलग से एक क्लास करेंगे जिसमें चेक करेंगे हाइड्रोजन को कैसे चेक करते हैं, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड को कैसे चेक करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कैसे. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गैसेस कैन बी चेक्ड इन अ सिंगल क्लास. बाद में इस क्लास को हम लोग कर लेंगे कि कैसे चेक करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, रिएक्शन विथ बेसिस. What is the reaction of bases? बहुत टाइम से पढ़ते हैं. Many times we will learn about neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Same, metal oxides are basic in nature, metal hydroxide basic in nature. When these metal oxides and metal hydroxide reacts with an acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, doesn't matter which type of acid it have, hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid, it reacts to form a salt and release water. For example, when copper oxide, copper is a metal and their oxide, it makes basic. Metal oxides are basic in nature. So base reacts with an acid, sulfuric acid. There is a double displacement reaction are possible, because double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction is a part of the double displacement reaction. In this reaction, they exchange their mutual ions. This oxygen gives this hydrogen and this sulfate provide this copper and form copper sulfate CuSO4 plus H2NO combines to form H2O. When a base like NaOH, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, when reacts with an acid like HNO3, it reacts to form NaNO3, sodium nitrate plus H2O. So when acid reacts with base to form salt and water, what is the base? किस सब्सटेंस को आप बेस बोलोगे? मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर कंसीडर्ड बेस, मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर कंसीडर्ड बेस, metal hydroxides are considered base, but it is not compulsory all the metal oxides are basic in nature. I will give you some examples. Some metal oxides are basic as well as acidic in nature, and it depends upon the second part of the reactant. What is meant by it? कुछ ऐसे भी metal oxides हैं, some of these metal oxides are like that which have acidics and basic in nature. For example, aluminium oxides. What are the idea about aluminium oxide? Aluminium oxide is metals and their oxides are basic in nature, but it behaves like base when it reacts with an acid like HCl. But Al2O3 can behave like acidic when it reacts with NaOH. When NaOH reacts with Al2O3, Al2O3 becomes acidic in nature. When Al2O3 reacts with HCl, it becomes basic in nature. So some metal oxides are also acidic as well as basic in nature, are called amphoteric substances, and these metals are antimony, Sb, zinc, arsenic, stannum, lead and aluminium. These 6 metals whose oxides are acidic as well as basic in nature, so these substances are called amphoteric. So what we will learn in this class? We will learn physical state of the acid. Some acids are found in solid form. These are boric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid and phosphoric acid. Some acids are liquid form, that is acetic acid, formic acid, hydrochloric acid, carbonic acid, sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid, what is the specialty about sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acids are the acid which cannot get volatile. Volatile, that means whatever temperature you give, it does not convert it into vapor state. After that, we will learn about how to prepare an acid. There are 4 methods. First method is by the process of synthesis. Second method, when non-metal oxide is anhydride. Anhydride means when we poured or reacts with water. After that, we will learn about when non-metal reacts with oxidizing agent like HNO3. And the last, when normal salt reacts with less volatile acid like sulfuric acid. So there are 4 methods for the preparation of acid. Some acids which are present in solid as well as liquid, and some chemical properties are left in this class. So इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, अगर आपको किसी भी तरह की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी टॉपिक जो समझ में नहीं आई है, आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं। हम आपके क्वेश्चंस के, आपके डाउट को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।